color guard is the Chowchilla, American Legion Post number 148. John Morrison, Lisa Richardson, Bill Chandler, and Bob Shelby.
Brianna, just wait.
Here's the 1993 Tommy Hawk, Chris Cobb. Let's give Chris a big Chowchilla welcome. Chris Cobb, our little Tommy Hawk for 1993. This year's Grand Marshal is John Lausch with his wife Nina. John has been honored by the Festival Committee for his many years of service to the community. He grew up in the Alamo District and worked for a number of years as a rural mail carrier for the United States Post Office. He's been president of the Chowchilla Lions Club, master of the Masonic Lodge, and member of the Chowchilla and Hornets Club. Chairman of the Chowchilla High School Union Board of Directors for many years. Provided the publicity for the Chowchilla Fair and Western Stampede for 25 years. There's the Chowchilla Union High School Redskin Band under the direction of Bob Don Season. The ID captains are Ann DeLay and Elizabeth Fortune. Drum major is Corey Preston. This year's Redskin Band traveled through 4 band competitions, in Madera earning first place, Santa Cruz Band Review, again with a first place finish, the Selma Band Review, also with a first...
Push the button to start it, Mom.
Where do you start it?
Mother. You're started. It's when it says record.
Here comes our Wilson School Spartan Band under the direction of Mr. Norman Molia. ID captains are...
Do you have to push something on that says that we're recording?
Mom,
What's
push
the
red button.
What's the W and the T?
That means zoom and not zoom in. It'll zoom in and out.
Okay. We're on the camera. Okay, I got power on, and I'm on the camera.
You push power?
Well, I did just turn it on to start with. Okay, when it says record up there, and then it's counting 1, 38, 39. Makes me dizzy. Makes me dizzy. Sod, or laying sod, and our backyard is starting to look like a green lawn. There's my mound I'm very proud of. My weeping willow tree is growing, my agapanthus, my azaleas, and such. There's my desert hibiscus, and there is my silver dollar tree, and I gotta find it.
You can move on these kind of pictures. It's a video to me.
This is a video camera. You can even talk. It even talks to you.
Put it in the movie and watch it.
Where's the best place to get big savings on everything you need? Smitty's, because we've got what you need all in one place 24 hours a day. From produce to photo processing, we've got it all. And we guarantee nobody beats our Northwest turkey price. Now 48 cents a pound. Save on turkeys.
Yay! That was one of her primary songs. Did you hear that, Lynn? She just sang a song for them. Good job.
You gonna sing to me, Jonathan?
He was going to sing that Aladdin
Turn
song.
the TV off and don't pay attention.
Huh?
Turn the TV off.
You gonna sing, John? Want to sing? Oh, he's singing Friends Like Me. Ha-ha. I don't know it, John. Never have a friend, never have a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend like me. Ha ha. He's silly. Okay, you can put that away. Anytime you want that.
What?
Say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi to Grandma inside the camera.
Grandma will be watching this on television when I get home.
Grandma's inside the camera. Say hi. And say hi to Tim. Hi, Tim. Tim's in there too.
Teensy Weensy Spider.
Let's open up Teensy Weensy Spider. Wait. Where's Teensy Weensy Spider? Okay. Ready? Here. You ready? Sing. No chance. Yeah, here. There went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the weensy weensy spider went up the spout again. Let's do row your boat for John. Wait, John, don't, not yet. Okay, ready? No, let John. Go on this boat, yeah. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merry, life is but a dream. Row your boat underneath the stream. How high float you, I'm a submarine. No more, no. Yay!
You're gonna have to get Jack over here in the light.
Okay.
Well, maybe no, he's all right, I guess. It don't say light. Hey, Zach.
Zachary.
Zachary.
Hey. Sure.
Yep.
Oh, he just popped a snap. Popped a rivet. Say he needs a neck brace.
Hi, Zachary. You gonna
smile?
talk? Well,
You can get him to cry.
we want him to cry.
Say hi. I think he's looking at you.
Well, he's looking almost this direction.
Almost. Hey, Charlie. I might. I mean, not might, but I do.
Yankee sit down? Okay, then don't have it.
Hi, Zachary. Give Zachary a hug. Give him a hug, Chelsea.
You want to hold him?
Yeah.
Sit right here.
Okay. I'll go.
You got it?
Yeah, we got Mama Susan.
Yay, Chelsea.
We're coming out to the park for a family home evening. It's the Ward family home evening. Sound like fun, don't it? And there's Zachary too. He's getting to come out here too. Wave to me, Zachary. Wave to me, Zachary. There's John. Hi, John and Chelsea.
Watch out for the car.
John chasing the goose over there anyway.
Oh, he just pooped.
The gooses do that, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know. John! Did he fly away? Chelsea, it's okay. Be nice, John.
Yeah, duck.
Oh, he would have a blast out of your house, chasing the chickens.
Well, we only got 3 roosters out here now.
You got a lot of chickens?
1 chicken and 3 roosters.
Boy.
And 1 peacock. We had 2 peacocks, but when they let them out, one of them flew away and the other one stayed home.
Look, see the baby ducks, Chelsea? See the tiny baby one?
You like them ducks, John?
John? Oh!
John, where's the grandpa?
John, where's Grandpa? Wave. Say hi, John. John, look. Oh, I guess you can buy food to feed them?
Yeah, I'm sure they have. They
Maybe
have
we'll go buy
popcorn or something to feed them.
John, are they flying away? Oh!
Uh-oh.
Careful what you slip on. I'm not sure if it's time yet. Maybe. Do you think it's time to get the kids on the train? John, let's go ride the train. Want to go ride on the train? Oh, come on, this way. Chelsea, what did they do? Hey, Chelsea, what did they do? Did they get it out of your hands? Come on. Oh, they're handing the kids out of there.
I felt really bad. I had to leave at 5:30. I think they were out there.
Yes, it's very good.
Oh, no, that was the Loris. Oh, Loris right there.
This is the family home eating together, and where they're going to have their hot cakes and come in. What do you need water for? Oh.
Hold John's hand. Hold John's hand.
That was bad. Huh? Crystal, come on. Let's do
We're
There.
You
The
guys
first one's in the last card.
I'm getting you home. Just stop
Wave. Say bye-bye.
Hey, John.
Wave.
Wave. Goodbye.
He's taking it all in.
Yeah,
Hey, Cameron!
you're not a bit bashful on that train, is he?
No.
He's not going to let Chelsea show him up on nothing.
No.
Come on, chug away here. Run out of film.
These that they have them stuck on, just take them, fold them over so they're stuck together with each. Do what?
Goodbye.
Bye, John.
The train's going now.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you when the train comes back.
Sit down.
Bye, Chelsea. Sit down. There goes.
Sit down, John. John. Wave. Wave, John.
I want to get in the butt. Where's Jake? I'm getting the way back. The way back's more clearer. I'm getting the back. Oh, you going skinny door. I'm waiting for Mom. Hey, Jimmy! Hey! Is that a Mom stick? You put it on? Jake, stick it on? You guys put it on? Let's just stick it on. You're supposed to wear the name tag thing? No.
No, that's a ticket. That's a ticket.
You give the name tag to the guy.
Yeah.
Oh, Cameron, you're supposed to give up. That's not.
When he takes it, he's just going to take it and fold it in half so it sticks. You don't need to take it. He's just going to fold it like that.
Just so it's not used.
Mom! 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 Where's Jake? He's right there! Oh. Oh.
With your mom.
Jake.
Oh.
Hello, Slow. I'm sitting.
It
says light.
It'll still record.
Oh, yeah, what if we go?
It'd be very deep.
Mom, I can't swim. Oh, my gosh. Oh, yeah, the hands on you. Just tell me to go off.
Is that Chelsea sticking her head out?
Yeah, she's looking at you on the back there.
Stay lit off then.
Oh man, I can't keep it from shaking.
No, come on.
I can't keep it from shaking.
Oh no, say come here, come here, okay? This is gonna be fun. Wanna go you? That was fun. You wanna go with you? That was fun. Do it again. I'm gonna sit right under.
Hey, sit down. Oh, I lost Chelsea.
You sit your body in the
Wait, the man will open for you.
Chelsea.
Cameron. What?
Hi.
You listening to me? You see
Oh, well.
what was happening?
I can't tell if I turned it off. Oh.
This is Christmas Day. Frank is snoring. Oh yes, he snores loud and clear. Let's pull back from the whole picture here of Sir Frank. Oh yes, he's enjoying himself. This is proof of his snoring. Oh yes. See, honey, you have snored straight through. We even tried to tape record you for 5 minutes before this, but the batteries didn't work. So, we thought we'd better have a picture to go along with the snore. You know it's you now. Well, this is probably enough. We'll shut it off.
This is David and Sharon's backyard, standing in the back corner, looking at their back patio of their house and their swimming pool. And Pfeiffer, their dog. There's Pfeiffer. There's the patio off of the bedroom window, off of the bathroom, back in the back. The tree that's in the front of me, between me and the camera, is in the back corner of the house. The side of the house, up where the driveway comes in, and their garage. They have a 3-car garage that has 2 doors, one big one and a little one. And this is the house, and this is the driveway coming into the garage. And we'll move around to the front of the house. Disregard the bouncing because I'm walking on bricks. This is the front of their house. The front entrance to the, and a waterfall out in front. This is where the master bedroom is, on this side here. And the garage on this side here. And the landscaping out in the front. I'm just going to let this one run out. Says I got 1 minute of recording left.